When all shareholders, LLC members, or partners have a financial stake in a business, tensions are higher than normal and more complex when parties become involved in legal disputes. Hi, I'm Reed Bloodworth, the managing partner of Bloodworth Law with offices in Orlando and Winter Haven, Florida. Businesses of all sizes and organizational types run into financial and contract disputes which escalate when parties don't get advice early on about their legal rights. There may be a balance of power or a financial structure bringing the parties together, but that doesn't mean that fairness, objectivity, and equality will rule actions. Sides may divide, and disagreements become larger. Shareholders, LLC members, and partners may end up in a standoff where negotiations stop. The parties can't resolve the ownership of an idea, the financial benefit of a business, the ownership of a property or another entity. Shareholder, LLC membership, and partnership agreements should be established before a business begins. Have an attorney review your agreement before signing so that your interests are protected. After the business is running, there are many issues that can arise. For example, minority shareholders or LLC members are at a disadvantage from the beginning. Investments may be tied up at the whim of the majority owner. Minority owners can bring suits against the majority owners for a multitude of issues. Another common issue that arises is breach of fiduciary duties. Shareholders, LLC members, and partners owe fiduciary duties to each other. Shareholders, LLC members, and partners are required to deal with each other honestly. But when an owner takes an action that benefits him or her to the detriment of the other owners, it can trigger major disputes. Next, breaches of the governing agreement can lead to major disputes. For example, a shareholder selling his or her shares in violation of the shareholder agreement to a rival or a competitor. Other breaches can include one shareholder desiring to terminate the entire agreement against the wishes of all the other shareholders. Finally, disputes often arise over the direction of the company. We often see these disputes arise in small to medium-sized family-owned businesses. Again, I'm Reed Bloodworth, the managing partner of Bloodworth Law in Orlando and Winter Haven. If you're a shareholder, LLC member, or a partner in a business, and you're having issues with your fellow owners, give me a call. Let's talk about how Bloodworth Law can help you or your business.